Have you ever wondered if the daily routine you follow with your newborn might be hindering their development? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 common mistakes new parents make that can negatively impact their baby's growth and development. Stay tuned because some of these might surprise you. Mistake 1. Container hopping. Picture this. Your newborn wakes up, you feed them, and then place them in a bouncer for some playtime. As they get sleepy, you switch them to a baby carrier for a nap. When they wake up, it's feeding time again, followed by another stint in the bouncer while you prepare for the day. A trip to the shops means time in the car seat, and once there, your baby stays in the capsule while you do the grocery shopping. This cycle continues, with your baby moving from one container to another until bedtime. This pattern, known as container hopping, involves frequently switching your baby between various devices like bouncers, car seats, strollers, and baby carriers. While these items are convenient, they limit your baby's ability to move freely. Movement is crucial for physical development, helping to strengthen muscles and improve coordination, which are essential for milestones like rolling over, crawling, and sitting up. To avoid this, balance container time with plenty of floor play, allowing your baby to move, explore, and develop essential skills. Mistake 2. Ignoring positional torticollis. From birth to around 3 months of age, you might notice your newborn's head naturally falls to one side. This is normal. However, if your baby's head always tilts to the same side, it could indicate positional torticollis, where one neck muscle is tighter than the other. This condition can affect muscle development and balance, potentially delaying milestones like sitting up or crawling. It can also lead to postural changes and increase the risk of developing a flat spot on the head. Early intervention is key. If you notice consistent head tilting, consult a pediatric physiotherapist who can recommend exercises to help. Mistake 3. Overlooking positional plagiocephaly. At birth, newborns often have oddly shaped heads due to their position in the uterus and the molding process during birth. Typically, a baby's head reshapes within 6 weeks. However, if you notice a flat spot on the back or side of your baby's head, it might be positional plagiocephaly. This condition doesn't affect brain development, but can lead to asymmetrical head or facial growth and, in severe cases, vision problems. Discuss any flattening with your doctor promptly to avoid long-term effects. Mistake 4. Incorrect baby wearing. Baby wearing can be beneficial, but it's important to do it correctly, especially in the first 6 months when hip development is crucial. If your baby's legs hang straight down and close together, it increases the risk of developmental dysplasia of the hip, or DDH, where the hip joint is unstable. To support healthy hip development, wear your baby so their knees are spread apart, legs wrapped around your body, and hips bent so their knees are slightly higher than their bottom in an M or frog-like position. This helps to ensure their hip joints are properly positioned and reduces the risk of DDH. Mistake 5. Allowing baby to sleep in unapproved devices. While baby bouncers, rockers, swings, and gliders are great for playtime and soothing, they are not safe for sleep. When a baby falls asleep in these devices, their head can tilt forward, pressing their chin to their chest, which can block their airway and lead to positional asphyxiation. This silent and dangerous situation can occur without obvious signs of distress. Organizations like the American Academy of Pediatrics recommend using these devices only for supervised playtime. Always place your baby on a flat, firm surface like a crib or bassinet for sleep, free of soft bedding and toys to ensure safe sleep conditions. Additional tips for safe and healthy baby development. To further support your baby's development and ensure their safety, here are a few more tips. Promote floor play. Give your baby plenty of time on the floor to move, explore, and build strength. Activities like tummy time are crucial for muscle development and coordination. Monitor head positioning. Frequently change your baby's head position when they are lying down to avoid flat spots. Alternate sides when feeding and place them in different positions during playtime. Choose safe sleeping practices. Always place your baby on their back to sleep in a crib or bassinet. Avoid using soft bedding, pillows, and toys that could pose suffocation risks. Proper baby wearing techniques. Ensure that your baby is positioned correctly in a carrier, with their legs in the M position and facing you. Avoid using carriers that don't support healthy hip positioning. Seek professional guidance. If you notice any issues with your baby's development, such as persistent head tilting or flat spots, consult with healthcare professionals promptly. Early intervention can make a significant difference. By being mindful of these common mistakes and implementing these tips, you can help foster a healthy environment for your baby's growth and development. Remember, parenting is a learning journey. Making small adjustments in your daily routine can have a big impact on your baby's development. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more parenting tips and advice. See you in the next video.